Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again, and in today's video I'm going to be deep conditioning with you guys. We are going to be doing a Alma gloss, okay? That's what we're going to be doing, but I messed up a little bit, so we're going to have a chat about that in just a second. However, I'm a woman of my word. You guys did say that I must try the banana one from Darken Lovely, the banana hair treatment, and I did. But obviously, because we kind of have an idea of how it might behave, I've decided that I am going to pair it up with my Alma. This is the first time I prepare Alma. I'm going to be using Alma. It's the first time I'm interacting with it. It has a very strong earthy smell. It almost smells like aloe vera powder, but not really. It has like its own little scent. So I'm gonna show you guys what happened, and then we are gonna discuss what you should and shouldn't do in this Ayurvedic journey, because I am learning as I go here. You know, y'all, if you've ever worked in corporate, they will tell you 70% is on the job. You learn like 70% of things on the job. It's not gonna be passed down to you in a manual or script or something. It's not gonna be in a book. You're gonna have to learn on the job. So that's what I'm doing. I'm learning on my Ayurvedic journey. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. Alright y'all, so I'm going to show you how to prepare your Alma gloss. You're going to need some sort of deep conditioner. I'm going to be using this one, and then I'm just going to eyeball it. Alright, once you have eyeballed this, you're going to add about 2 spoons of your alamakai powder, or you can call it Alma or Indian gooseberry, however it is you want to call it. You're going to add 2 spoons to that. This is the easiest way to introduce Ayurvedic herbs into your hair regimen, by adding it to your deep conditioners. If you're a little bit scared and you're not sure what the heck you're doing, also start with just 2 spoons. Don't now try 7, okay? You can leave this in the fridge overnight or whatever. I left it for 30 minutes. It's okay, you know, I'm not gonna die. It's still gonna do its job. So you guys saw that I, you know, left my little mixture in the refrigerator, but the problem is I was supposed to leave it overnight, so maybe for like 8 hours, and mine has been in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So I don't know if it will have the same benefits. I'm sure it will, but I think when you leave it in the fridge, what I notice is that the little particles start to kind of melt away into the deep conditioner. So I might have a problem rinsing this out. I don't know yet, but that's why we are on this journey together. Okay, so I'm gonna basically switch to voiceover while I tell you guys about when we get into a deep dive of Alma, deep conditioning, and using it as a gloss, etc., as a paste and whatever. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply the Alma gloss onto your hair, and I am starting on freshly washed hair. Okay, my hair's been pre-pooed, it has been shampooed, so it's clean. So make sure if you're going to be doing this as a gloss, your hair is actually clean. Then I want to start talking to you guys about the benefits of using Alma powder in your hair regimen. First of all, there's research that was done in 2009 whereby they used Alma powder on mice, and it actually reduced the amount of hair loss they were experiencing. So it actually has a positive effect on your hair, and it doubles up your hair follicles. So if you are somebody that's struggling with thin hair, fine hair, or breakage, I suggest that you introduce Alma, and this is the safest way according to lots of people. This is the safest way to introduce Alma oil, Alma powder, or Alma in general into your hair regimen. It is high in iron. You guys know I'm anemic, and studies show that if you apply it topically, which is on top of your hair, it has more benefits than if you ingest it. It's high in vitamin E and C, so I might be using this as my mask on my face. It's high in zinc, potassium, and magnesium. It is also an antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. So I will love this. So if your scalp it likes to swell up and, you know, get inflamed, use this. And research shows that it actually makes your hair darker, and it's also safe to use on your scalp, so don't be shy. The other thing that you should be careful of is use a deep conditioner that's thick enough to be able to hold everything together, because this can be a very messy process, and be aware that Alma does dye things. I just got done with my almond treatment. It did get finished halfway, and then I had to remake it, add a deep conditioner, and then I added 1 spoon of the alma powder. Here's what I can tell you. From the texture of the alma, it's a soft powder, so it's very easy for it to break down and become like dust, kind of like. So the particles are not heavy, they're not like granules. Yeah, they're not like granules. They kind of like, they absorb into the deep conditioner. It was a little bit messy and I have a lot of mess around me. The only reason that's the case is because the deep conditioner I'm using today is very watery. So I think you guys remember the Alu one. So the Alu one versus this one is that I would say the Alu one is much heavier, softer, and this just has too much water to the point whereby it's actually still dripping out. So the deep conditioner is not thick enough to hold everything together. It's very watery. So I think I would, going forward, I'm going to be using this as a 3-minute conditioner instead of a deep conditioner, because I actually prefer thick deep conditioners. But anyway, enough about that. I'm going to be wearing my really rundown, overused shower caps. So I left the gloss on my hair for about 4 hours or 3 hours. I really cannot remember. I was cooking. It was a Sunday afternoon and my hair felt very soft. It felt full and thick. It felt, I don't even know how to explain it, but it felt like my hair has absorbed, you know, the alma powder, and it has made it heavier, fuller, thicker. And you guys can tell when I'm rinsing it out, I'm not struggling. It's coming right out. The only problem I was experiencing on that particular day is that the water pressure was not where I would have liked it to be. And then I followed it up with a deep conditioner. This is just me taking, you know, precautions, you know, that's all. I don't think it's necessary for you to you know, go in with another deep conditioner. I just wasn't satisfied with the quality of the deep conditioner that I chose to use for this gloss. So I am done finally with my deep conditioning process. You know what, this Ayurvedic journey is it requires a lot, not gonna lie, but I think I am in a space in which I don't mind to give, you know, my experience with the gloss. Right after I rinsed it out, the powder, the flakes, they come out very easily, so you're not gonna have trouble with this specific powder should you decide to use alma powder. I don't know about the other ones. I don't know about fenugreek yet. We're gonna be testing that out soon, but with this one I love how it feels and I like how simple it is to use. It's very like I mentioned before I went to go after I applied it on, it's very fine, so it's not going to get stuck in your hair or that kind of thing, so it comes out very easy. So I didn't struggle with that. Obviously I can only be able to really be sure once I actually see my hair under here that I have completely removed every particle of the alma powder. However, using that Darken Lovely banana hair conditioner, it was on the weaker side for me. I wish I had used a different conditioner, but not Mercia Island, but something else, maybe the Afro Botanics deep conditioner. In terms of the consistency, I don't like this one because it was too watery and it was not holding water in my hair, so I didn't like that. Instead the water was coming out, was like falling out. So I think next time I'll just use a different deep conditioner for my glosses for now, and then I will always go in with some sort of product from Oats of the Motherland, because these products are organic, that's it, you know. So I really like how my hair feels right now. So I'm just gonna show you guys, and then I'm gonna show you guys close up so that you guys can see with me for the first time if I was able to get rid of all the particles. Okay, let's see what we have. Maybe I didn't rinse. Oh my gosh, there we go. So here's mistake number 1. We didn't rinse out properly, and I really thought I was gonna be able to rinse out because, okay, but here's what I can tell you, right? Regardless of it being in my hair feels really soft. My hair feels different. I've never felt my hair this way before. There's something new I'm feeling. I don't know what it is yet, but I like it. It's feeling repaired. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels very nice. So what I'm gonna do now is, after we have this chat, I'm gonna go back to my bathroom and rinse out. So I really like my first day, or my first wash day with Ayurvedic products. I like it. I'm still getting used to remembering, you know, I'm supposed to do my glosses overnight, put them in the refrigerator. So that means I must actually start setting like a proper schedule. We are still in the first month. We don't want to do too much, and I won't be changing anything. So I will still be using Alma powder. The next time you guys see me on my wash day, I'm going to be using Alma powder for maybe 4 times before I move into fenugreek and before I move into hibiscus. So we have a very long way to go. It's going to be a very steady journey. We're not gonna rush anything. We're gonna take it very easy and learn along the way. All right, so you guys, this is where I'm gonna end it. So I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Please make sure that you're subscribed, you're telling your friends that they must join this Ayurvedic journey. You don't have to, it's not a must, y'all. It's really not a must. And then I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.